So today I've got some beautiful coordinates for you, and good prices also. We always want to have good prices, but this first one is a cotton poly. It's a brown, and brown is just the rage right now, the brown and the wines. It has stretch in both directions. It's beautiful. It's like a Pontoroma weight, big, great pant, great jacket. And I kind of paid attention to this 15-16 that we just had a sew along for, because this would be perfect for that. It's linear, but yet it has enough flexibility to it that it puts it into the feminine category. This is a Hugo Boss. And you can see the blend of those two is just so beautiful. This is Hugo Boss Viscose. It has stretch in both directions. The weight on this is absolutely stunning. And these first ones are $19.99. We've got a really good price on those. This one is 100% cotton. It's a twill. I don't know if you can see that weave from where you are. It's beautiful. It's a beautiful piece of fabric. It has stretch in both directions. It's wine. It's just everything popular right now, again at $19.99. That's just a great price. This is a velvet. You can see it blends beautifully with this. Again, stretch in both directions, a cotton poly, stretch velvet. Just so pretty for the holidays. Just a really beautiful little something. Very simple, very easy, just something. This is a silk. Now this is reduced today, but it's, its regular price is $50. We've got it down to $40 a yard. It's just beautiful. Let me pull it out here. The print on this is just stunning. 100% silk woven, just stunning for a blouse, especially the new blouse that I've put out, that 616, would be absolutely beautiful out of it. Just beautiful. And it coordinates perfectly with this. This is a black, the same color. This is kind of a gray beige. This possibly could be an Armani. I'm not sure on that. The coloration leads me to it, and it came in with the other Armanis, but it didn't say Armani on it, so I wasn't sure. But look at the blend of these two. Just really beautiful. This is a black cream gray silk. Again, beautiful, reversible. This is a jacquard. It's woven. Absolutely stunning. It's a wool silk. Soft as can be. It's just lovely. Again, for $15-16, this would be really beautiful. And then, of course, a blouse underneath. Perfect combination, again, and the two. So the goal, you know it. Happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.